That's a fish. Yeah, on cam too. I think it's a walleye. It's a smallmouth. What? It's a nice smallie. Oh, nice little chunkster. On the go, on the GoPro. That's not what I'm going for, guys, clearly. Oh, what is it? You got your phone? Yeah. Quickly though, because we gotta put it back. Oh, you're far away too. Here, I'll just do it like this. Take a Vic. Got it? Take some pics?
Yeah.
Whoa!
You little bastard.
Alright, we're catching fish. We caught a fish each. I got mine on GoPro. Yes. I'm still looking. I don't want the smallmouth though. I wanted a pike. Fish on! Frank! Pike! Frank! Holy fuck. He's so far gone. Alright guys. Just landed a nice little pikester. Got him all revived now. He's a gone. All right, let's try like right here. It's fairly deep. Fish on, Frank. Yep. Nice pike. Decent pike. Decent. Got him. Ready? Wait, come closer. Oh, if you can. Yeah, get a bit closer if you can, bud. This one's a nice one.
Fucking wild bastard.
Take some pics?
Yeah.
I just lost another fish, Mr. Fuck. I'll help you. Give me a sec. What's wrong? What? I'm getting hits, bud. Yo, look at that! Did you see that? It just got it on Kim! Oh my god, bro! Get over here! Fucking distracting the shit out of me. Let's go. Fish on! Yep. Was that a muskie? Nope, it's a pike. Oh, I don't want him anyways, he got off. And I was on the spoon, bud. Yeah, on the spoon. Yeah, I let him, well, I didn't want him really. It was, I thought it was a muskie because it was brown, right? It came up all brown because of the mud that. Yeah? Come in. What? Bass? Stay put. On the spinner? All right, I'm coming. Where's that net? Oh, that's a beauty. That's the fish of the day.
Oh, fuck that.
PB.
Yeah.
Hey. Might be too big, but we'll check.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo. That is a fish. Okay, so
Yeah, we can cook that.
yeah, I gotta measure it though on my hands. So I gotta see on this. Yeah, that's a fatter. That's a fish. Yo, that's eatable.
How big is it?
It's under 20.
Is it? What is it?
It's like 19.
Oh shit! I just don't know how to handle it. I wouldn't want to waste it.
I'll let you take it.
You want it?
Yeah. Here, do you want?
You want them?
Yeah, I do.
We need to be prepared. I think,
Yeah.
if we want to keep it. That's all. I just feel like it's kind of.
Yeah, we'll go and make some more.
Sure.
That's. It's a nice fish though.
Yeah, he's a beauty.
He's gone. Swim
Well,
up.
like now we know what's good here. Let's bring a fucking cooler and then just go and grab ice.